Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, gagawa tayo or magsosolve tayo ng isang example for the first derivative test. Okay? So again, how to perform the first derivative test is first, take the critical numbers, and then second is just create a table of signs. Okay? So yan lang yung two-step natin. So very easy to remember. So critical numbers, paano ba tayo kumuha ng critical numbers? Again, we take the derivative of the function, so f prime of x is equal to 6x squared plus 6x minus 12, and then we equate this to 0. Okay, so kung hindi pa kayo familiar dito, then watch my previous videos about critical numbers and yung examples ko there. Okay, so 6x squared plus 6x minus 12, well, we can factor out 6, so 6 times x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x squared plus x minus 2 is just equal to 0. So we can factor this. So this would become x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Tama? So we have critical numbers. X is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 1. Tama? So now we check sa domain. So wala naman nagpapa-0 sa kanya, nagpapa-undefined kapag ka x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to negative 1. So okay na yung critical numbers natin. X is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so ngayon meron tayong critical numbers, negative 2 and 1. No? So ngayon, table of signs naman. Okay? So para gumawa ng table of signs, we just create two lines. So lagay natin dito negative 2 and dito 1. No? So kailangan natin ngayon i-evaluate yung f prime of x natin for values less than negative 2, between negative 2 and 1, and greater than 1. No? So let's just pick candidate values. So let's say negative 10, pinakamadali dito 0 and then 10. No? So f prime of x is again 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. No? So if f prime of negative 10, so this will become 6 negative 10 squared plus 6 times negative 10 minus 12. No? So this would become 600 minus 60 minus 12. And this is clearly positive. Tama? So we just put plus here. Okay? So kung 0 naman, so f prime of 0, so this will become 6 times 0 squared plus 6 times 0 minus 12. So this is clearly negative 12 and is negative, no? So lalagay natin dito sa gitna, negative. And then kung positive 10 naman, so let's check. F prime of 10 is equal to 6 times 10 squared plus 6 times 10 minus 12, no? And this would become clearly positive, no? Kasi this is 600 plus 60 minus 12. So this is clearly positive, so we just put a plus here. Okay? So, again, from the first derivative test, tinitignan natin kung may change ng signs ng derivative natin, no? And from here, we have here a positive going to a negative. And we have here a negative going to a positive. Tama? So, meaning, sa may negative 2, meron kang transition. So, meron kang maxima dito. Maxima. And then, from negative to positive, then meron ka ditong minima. Okay, so masasabi natin na meron tayong local maxima and local minima at negative 2 and 1 respectively. So again, to perform the first derivative test is just first get the critical numbers and perform table of signs. Okay, so see you in the next video.